Okay, good evening all. Hope you guys hear my voice. Okay, so we can start our today's session. Okay, so in the yesterday session we discussed about how we can create an architectural building, and also how can we create doors, windows, and placed it in our model, and also how can we work with the 3D warehouse, that is an extension of SketchUp software, and also the material adding part, that is also we discussed. And also we discussed about to create the different types of roofs. Okay, that is curved roof and also sloped roof, etc., like things. And also we discussed about how we can create a dome shape. Okay, how can we what using our follow me tool. Okay, using our follow me tool, how can we create a dome shape? Okay, that thing we discussed in our yesterday session. And also today, okay, I share my screen, and I think all of you can see my screen. Okay, okay, okay. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about some tools. Okay, not modeling part. We discuss about how we can create a landscaping. Okay, it's purely based on the drawing technique. Okay, landscaping means what we have to create an aesthetic appearance. Okay, we can create a simple surroundings. Okay, around our building. Okay, we can modify the aesthetic appearance. Okay, so for that we have to edit, or we have to modify the site that we create in the beginning of the creation of the model. Okay, so for that I will just I will just go to the site plan, and also I just double click it. Okay, for editing that grouped elements. Okay, for editing that grouped elements we have to double click it. So I will double click it, and after that just click on the push or pull tool, and I will what yeah, yeah. Now the voice is clear. Okay, so I will just what increase the length and width of the site. That makes my site more what aesthetically beautiful. Okay, so for that, just I want to create a what pathway. Okay, pathway from here, and I want to make some lawn here. Okay, for that I will just go to the top view, and in the top view I will create a property line. Okay, I will create a property line, or I will create a boundary. Okay, in outside this boundary, we have to create outside this boundary, we have to create, or we have to add some grass material. And inside this property line, okay, inside this boundary line, we have to add some what flooring tiles. And after that, I want to create, or I want to what set a path like this. Okay, so for that, I'll just use this what drawing tool. Any drawing tool, okay, any drawing tool, it's what it's okay. Okay, you can either use what arc tool, you can either use what a line tool, etc. It's up to you. Okay, so here I just create a two surfaces. You can see that. Now I want to create a boundary. Okay, here there will be a boundary is available, but that boundary is in the shape of, or in the form of line. Okay, it's in the form of line. But now I want to create, okay, I want to create a separation, like brick separation. So for that, I want to add the thickness. Okay, add some thickness. Okay, add some thickness. So for that, I will just go to the offset tool and click on that offset tool. And after that, you can see that. Okay, now I will just create a thickness. Now you can see that. Okay, you can either join this part using the line tool. Okay, I will just use this line tool. And after that, here also, I will just use line tool. Now you can see that. That part may be the different. Okay, that part may be the difference. Okay, so now I am going to add an extrusion here. Okay, a 10 centimeter of extrusion here. Now you can see that there will be a separation is created. Likewise, you can add pools also. Okay, pool area also you can add here. Okay, by what drawing with the tools. Okay, so now you can see that what an area with two separations will be created, and after that we have to add different materials. Okay, for here, in here we add the grass material. Okay, in the outside area. So for adding that outside area material, okay, outside area material, just go to here and you can see that there will be a grass material. Okay, there will be a grass material. Okay, here you can see that landscaping, fencing and vegetation. So I will just click on that landscaping, fencing and vegetation and select appropriate grass material, and after that I will add here. Okay, if you want to arrange the concentration, okay, if you want to arrange the concentration, you can just go to the edit button and you can what change the horizontal vertical distance from here. If I want to change it to 150 centimeter, now you can see that that grass is clearly visible. Okay, and after that we have to add some flooring material here. Okay, some flooring material here, and here if we add the flooring material, okay, here it will intrude into this inside the house also. So we want to create a partition like this. Okay, so for that, I will just go to this area, and after that, you want to create a cutting here. Okay, I will just create a cutting here. Now, in the boundaries of this area, okay, through the boundaries of this area, I create a cutting. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, and after that, I will just go to the landscaping and fencing and vegetation, and now you can see that there will be some flooring material is present. Okay, that means the flooring what brick paving. Okay, paving. So I will just add it in here, and again if we want to what change the concentration, okay, just go to the edit option, and in the edit option you can change the concentration. Okay, you can edit the concentration. That is, I will add the concentration as 100. Okay, now you can see that I will add it as 100. Now you can see that. Okay, if you want to change the color, okay, you can change it in here. And also if you can change the opacity, okay, you can change the opacity, you can change it in here. Okay, so likewise we can add the landscaping material also. Now you can see that. Okay, here also. And also you can add the tree like materials, okay, that side components, trees, etc. like things, okay, from the 3D warehouse. So just go to the 3D warehouse. From that 3D warehouse, I will just give some landscaping. I will just add a keyword, okay, a keyword of landscape. This is to what here you can see that. I will add, I will download and directly add it into our SketchUp model. Okay, directly add it into our SketchUp model. Now you can see that. I will add that material or add that in this area. Okay, here you can see that. And you can arrange it, okay. And you can arrange it. Now you can see that. Now you can see that. There is a landscaping material is also added here. Okay, it is clearly visible in the rendering type. Okay, it's clearly visible in the rendering type. And also this, in this way you can add the landscaping parts. Okay, you can add based on your idea. Okay, your own idea. Then now we are moving to the creation of sections. How can we create the section parts? Okay, section parts, section, elevation, etc. like things from the SketchUp. So for creating the sections and elevations, okay, we have to add a separate tool. Okay, for getting that tool from our toolbar, just go to the view menu bar. And in the view menu bar, you can see that there will be a toolbar option is present. Okay, from that toolbar option, you can see that there will be a sections. Okay, there will be a sections option is present. So I will click on that sections. Now you can see that there will be a section option. Okay, there will be a section option is present. Using this option, we can create sections. So there will be four options is available. First of all, we have to create a section plane, and then next is the section planes display. If we want to hide the section plane, we can switch off it. If we want to display, okay, we want to show the section plane, we can just click on that. And then we have to find, or we have to what show the section cuts, how our section is cut using our section plane. That will be displayed using this tool. And also we can create fills, okay, in the section cut area, okay, using this option, that is display section fill. Okay, so first of all, I want to take some floor plans. Okay, ground floor plan, first floor plan, etc. like plans. So for that, I'll just go to the top view. Okay, or either you can what create it in isometric view also. Okay, if you want to create it in isometric view, okay, I will just delete this. You want to create it in isometric view, you can. So first of all, for taking the sections, we have to create a section plane. Okay, so for creating that section plane, we have an option, that is section plane option. So click on that section plane, and after that we have to select a plane that our section is visible. Okay, so now you can see that there will be a section plane is created. Okay, along with this direction, there will be a section plane is created. One minute, I think the model is stuck. Okay. Okay. So now we create a section plane. Okay, we create a section plane. If you want to reverse, okay, if now you can see that the view from the section plane is from the top to bottom. If you want to change the view of the section plane is from bottom to top, you can just click on that section plane and right click it. Okay, and right click it, and after that you can see an option that is reverse option. While clicking that reverse option, now you can see that the section view is from bottom to top. Okay, if you want like this, you can do like this. Okay, and after that, you can see. Now I will create a section plane here. Okay, and also I want to take a floor plan, ground floor plan from this section plane. So for that, just go to move tool, and using the move tool, now you can see that. Okay, I will create a section like this. Okay, and after that, go to what top view, and after that, we have to hide the landscape part. Okay, we have to hide, or we can tick off that tag from the what tags option. Okay, so here I will tick on that property area. Okay, here now you can see that. And also here you can see that there will be section plane is visible. So I want to hide that section plane also. So for hiding that section plane, I will just click on the display section planes. Okay, so using that display section planes, that section plane will be hide. And also here you can see that now the display section cut is clearly visible. If I want to turn off that section cut. If you want it, you can have it. Okay, by clicking in this option. And also if you now you can see that there will be some solid part is filled inside this area. If I want it as a line, okay, now you can see that the inside filling is absent while I click on this section display section fill. Okay, and also here now you can see that this is a this is a 3D view. So we want to watch, or we want to show it as a pure 2D model. So for that, just go to the camera option, and in the camera option you can tick on that parallel projection option. Okay, parallel projection option. And while using the parallel projection option, you can just make this 3D object as a 2D element. Okay, the section option is selected from the view toolbar. Okay, view option, and in the view option there will be a toolbar option is present. By clicking that toolbar option, we can create sections. Okay, now I will just create a section. And also if you want to hide the accesses, okay, if you want to hide the accesses, you can hide it. Okay, you can hide it from the view menu bar. Now you can see that access is hide. Okay, now if you want to minimize, or if you want to hide these object, you can just select that objects and make hide. Now you can see that table portion is also hide. Okay, and after that we want to save this view. Okay, we want to save this view. And also before saving that view, we can change the styles also. Okay, now you can see that there will be different styles are available. Here there will be a construction documentation style. You can see that construction documentation style. Then there will be a fast modeling style. Okay, fast modeling style like this. Okay, so select appropriate style from the styles option, and after that just go to the scenes option. Okay, here this is the ground floor plan. Okay, so we have to save this much portion as a ground floor plan. So I will just go to the scenes option. Okay, so I just go to the scenes option, and in the scenes option just click on the add scene option. Okay, and here there will be a warning window is open. You are going to save this as a scene. Would you like to continue or not? So I will just go to create a scene. Now you can see that scene 1 is created. Here also scene 1 is created. And you can rename it. Okay, you can rename it. I will rename it as GF plan. I will rename it as GF plan. Okay, and after that, I will just go to my first view. Okay, for going to this first view, just tick off that display section cut, and after that just go to the styles option, and in this styles option, in model option, select the in model option and select it. Okay, and select it. Now you can see that our what first view is created. First view is get. And after that, for making this what retrieving this in easy, we have to save this much area as separate scene. So for that, just go to here and create a scene. Now you can see that scene 2 is created. So I will rename it as original. I will rename it as original. Okay. And then I want to create a first floor plan. So for creating that first floor plan, what we do? Just go to the section plane, and after that select the section plane. Okay, I think section plane is some lag. Okay, section plane is some lag, and you can see that I will select a section plane, and after that just select it and go to the move tool and place the appropriate floor plan. Okay, now you can see that, and go to the top view. And in the top view, you can see that our section plane is also seen. So just hide the section planes. Okay, and after that, just go to the camera view and tick on that parallel projection. And after that, just select the display section fill. And after that, we go to the styles option, and in the styles option we can what previous styles, there will be previous styles is available. So I will just select the construction document, or you can select appropriate any okay, any of these styles you want to choose, you can choose it. Okay, if you want to choose this much style, you can just choose it. And after that, just go to the scene option and create a new scene. Okay, here you can see that I will create a new scene, that is scene 2. So I will just go to this top area and then click on the rename, and I will what FF plan. I will rename it as FF plan. Now you can see that. Now I want to regain my original, okay, original model. So for that, what we do, just click on this original. Now you can see that. Okay, now okay, if I want to what go to my, or I want to see my ground floor plan, for that, what we do, just click on this ground floor plan. Now you can see that that ground floor plan is present here. And also if I want to see the first floor plan, now you can see that if I click on that first floor plan in the top side, you can visible it in the screen. Okay, and after that I want to create a section. Okay, elevation. Okay, so now we want to create some sections, front section and side section. So for that, the procedure is simple. Okay, the procedure is repeated. So for that, just go to the section plane. And after that, here I create a plane like this. Okay, yeah, we can cut the section in vertical also, not in the horizontal. We can what this is a specialty of SketchUp software, that we can cut the section in different directions. If we want to cut it in inclined direction, we can have it. Okay, that is the peculiarity of the section in SketchUp software. Okay, how you got this section? We can go to section. Okay, section option is located in the view. Okay, view option. In the view option, there will be a toolbar option is present. From that toolbar option, you can access the section. Okay, section, this option. Okay, I think my screen is stuck. Okay, just wait it. Okay, now you can see that. there will be a section plane is created in the vertical direction. Okay, and after that, just click on the move tool, and after that, we have to create a appropriate section, and then go to the front view. Now you can see that. Okay, and after that, what we do? Just remove the section planes. For removing the section planes, we can tick off that display section planes option. Okay, display section plane option, and after that, just place the model in appropriate our screen. And after that, just tick off that display section fill, and after that, give an appropriate style. Okay, give an appropriate style, and also we can change the camera view to parallel projection. Okay, that's why, because in the first it will be in a perspective view. Okay, now it will be changed to parallel projection, and also here you can see that axis line is gone here. So if we want to remove that axis line, just go to the view option, and in the view option, axis option is seen, and untick that axis option. And after that, we can create another scene. Okay, just creating that scene, just tick it. Sorry, just click on that plus button, add button, and then create a scene. Now the scene 4 is created. So I will just go to that scene 4 option and just rename it. Rename it as front section. Front section. I'll just rename it as front section. And again, I want to create my original. So just click on that original. And after that, I want to create a side section. Okay. So for creating that side section, what we do, just repeat this step. Click on the section plane, and after that, plane will be choose, and then click on the section line, section plane, and after that, go to the move tool, and after that, place an appropriate view. Okay, place an appropriate view. Okay, now here is the perfect view. Okay, and after that, what we do, just go to the side section. Okay, just go to the side section. Now you can see that here is the side section, and after that, just modify it. First of all, we have to hide the section planes. So for hiding the section planes, just click on the display section fill. And also we can remove the fill part also. So I will remove the fill part. And after that, just go to the camera option, and then go to the parallel projection. Okay. And also I will just change the styles. Okay. I will just change the style. Okay. Then this is the left side or right side view. Okay, side plan and side section. Okay, so I want to create it as a scene. Then click on that scene option. You can see that scene 5 is created, and we can change the name. Okay, side section. We can give the name as side section. So now all the what section and plan will be completed. So if I want to what see the ground floor plan, you can see it. Just click on this ground floor plan. Then if you want to see the first floor plan, you can see the first floor plan. Then if you want to create, or if you want to see the side section, okay, now you want to see the side section. If you want to create, or if you want to see the front section, just click on that front section. Now, okay, so likewise, we can use the section plane option. And after that, anyone of you told what we can what cut the section in vertical, slanted, etc. like things. We can simply cut it in slanted also. Okay. So for cutting that slanted part, okay, slanted part, I will just create a new section plane, and after that, I will click this here. Okay, I will click here, and after that, I will make a position. Here, I will make this as my position. Okay. No, this as my position, and I want to create a slanted section. So for creating slanted section, we have an option called rotate option. Okay. And after that, just come to the section plane. And after that, we have to choose the plane. Okay. We have to choose the plane. Now you can see that. Now you can see that. Okay. Now you can see that the section is created in a slanted way. Okay. Or if you want to create it is front part. Okay. If you want to create it in this direction, you can create it in this direction. Here again, I am going in here direction. Here, this I will just here. Now you can see that. Okay. Here. Now you can see that. A slanted section. Okay. A slanted section is created. Okay. And also I will just go to the display section planes, and here I will just go to the view option and tick off that axis, and then I will make a scene as slanted section. Slanted 3D section. Okay. Likewise, we can create sections in any plane that we want. Okay. How we got the original one before creating? What you can create? Okay, you can create a simple scene before you going to create the sections. Then you can get the original. If I click on that original, okay, if I click on that original, you can just get the original thing. Okay. So any doubt regarding the section, creation of section? Okay. So now we have an animation part. Okay. Here you can see that. Here there will be a what a movement like this. Okay, a movement like this. This part may be created, or we can create this part as a 3D section or 3D, or either we can create it in as a scene. Okay, it in as a scene. Here the scene is mainly created. Here now I will what create the scenes for the purpose of documentation. Now, if you want to create walkthrough, you can create the section, sorry, scenes like that. Okay, for creating that, just you can see that there will be a camera option is placed. Camera option is what available in our toolbar. So if you want to create it, you can go to the top view and just click on the camera option and just drag it in a place. Now you can see that. And also you can change the eye height. Okay, here eye height, I will change it as 250. Okay, now you can see that. If I will change it as to 300, okay, 280. Okay, I will change it as 280. Then the next is what I will create a scene here. Okay, I will create a scene here. That scene is what rename it as animation 1. Okay, then I will just click on here. You can see that walk option. Here, the walk option, now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that in the walk option, while I click on the walk option, the screen is just moving. Okay, here in the screen is just moving. Here, in some part, or after the some part of moving, I will create another scene. Okay, scene 7, that is animation 2. Okay, animation 2. Then after that, I will just I will just walk like this. Okay, I will just walk like this. And also here I will create a new scene, that is animation 3. And after that, I will just turn around. And after that, Now here I am just move on here. Okay, I just move on. Okay, and after that I will just create another scene called animation 4. And after that, if you can see that, if I click on that animation 1, it will be like this. Animation 2, now you can see that. In the animation 3, like this. Animation 4, like this. Okay, if the main purpose of the creation of scene is animation, you can only create the animation scenes, not the documentation scenes is created in the time of creation animation, because the scene is converted. How much scenes we created in this area, it will be automatically converted to an animation. Okay, so the purpose is, your purpose is creating animation, you can save, or you can add the animation scenes alone. Not any documentation scenes will be included in that part. Okay, after creating animation, you can create the documentation. Okay. No, there is no any time limit. Okay. So the changes I make in the scene 2 is also coming in another scenes. What I do. So can you create the vertical section lines slowly, sir? I am doing side by side. Okay. Many types of sections. Okay. Okay. Now we are creating that what animation. Okay. And now we how to convert these animated scenes that we created here to a video. So for that, just go to the view menu bar, and in the view menu bar you can see that, okay, you can see that there will be a play option is present. So just I will play it. You can see that I already said, okay, all the thing that we add in the scene part is converted to an animation. Okay, so if your purpose is only for creating animation, you only create the animated scenes. Okay, you can see that. Okay, if I click on that animation part, you can see that there will be a animation video. Okay, and if I stop it, it will be stopped. And I want to convert it into a video. Okay, so for that, just go to the file menu, and in the file menu, you can see that there will be an export option is present. So in the export option, you can see that there will be an animation option. So click on that animation, and it will be an MP4 video, and just I will save it as desktop sample. Then I will just go to the options. It will be what we can change the resolutions. We can change the time frames, what frames per FPS, etc. Okay, so I will just click on the export. Now you can see that there will be 601 frame will be available in our total scenes, and there will be some time what calculation also. Okay, for creating this into a video, because the 601 frame will be generated. Okay, Sorry guys, I think my SketchUp is crash. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, one thing, another try. Okay, in the previous time, my SketchUp is crash. Okay, so just go to the export option and just click on the animation, and I will select the location and just click on the export option. Okay. Yeah, you can get the human figures in the 3D warehouse also. Okay. Can you show how to use intersection with selection to erase extra part? Can you please check the yesterday's video session? Okay. In that session, I think I will repeat it in 2 times. Okay. Lumion or Enscape is integrated in SketchUp, then how to do the video using the same scenes. Yeah, if Lumion or Enscape is integrated in SketchUp, you can directly create walkthrough from that part. Okay, from Lumion itself, you can create walkthroughs and also Enscape. The Enscape part also you can create walkthroughs from there. Okay, okay, yeah, I think you can see that. Here, All the scenes, okay, all the scenes that we created in this SketchUp part will be converted as a animation. Okay, and also you can what set the animation options also. Okay, just go to the view option, and in the animation part you can see a settings option is present. Okay, so here you can see that there will be a what scene transition time is setted here. We can increase or decrease, or we can disable it. Okay, we can disable it, or we can delay the scene delays. Okay, if I here I am enabling enable the scene transition as 0.5 and the scene delay as 0, and after that I will just go to the animation and play it. Now you can see that there will be no any time difference. Okay, here there will be no any time difference, so you can adjust. Okay, you can adjust the settings here also. Okay, here the enable transition I will give it as 3, and then go to the play option. Now you can see that there will be no time in between the scenes. Okay, scenes is continuously created. Okay, likewise you can create. Okay, likewise you can create a animation. Okay, in video format, in MP4 format. Okay, MP4. So animation part is over. That much transition from outdoor to indoor is what not created from the SketchUp. We can integrate Lumion like things. So for Lumion, in that Lumion, we can create it in real life transition. But I think in SketchUp itself, we can create this much animation. Okay. So for creating animation, okay, for creating animation, if your what goal is to create an animated video or walkthrough video, you can just create the scenes with corresponding to the animation. Okay, that animated scenes only be created in the scene option. Okay, not any documentation part will be included in that in there. So after that, you can go to the file menu, and in the file menu, you can have an option called export. Through that export option, you can export the animation videos. Okay. So then now we are going to the documentation part. Okay. So here we can convert this model. Okay, we can convert this 3D model into a 2D format, that is export to CAD. Okay, we can import a CAD file from the AutoCAD, and after developing a model, we can just export. Okay, we can just export this model as an AutoCAD file also. And also, we can done the documentation parts, but the documentation part is not done with the SketchUp. We have another software along with the SketchUp, that is layout. Okay, that is layout. If you download the SketchUp, it will automatically download it along with the SketchUp software. Okay, so for documentation, I will create the scenes. Okay, I will create the scenes for the documentation purpose. Okay, for the documentation purpose. Then we have to save this file. Okay, I will save this file. Okay, I will save this file. Okay, after saving, you can see that there will be a option called send layout option. So click on that send layout. So from this SketchUp, we can directly load our model. Okay, or directly export our model into layout. Layout is for documentation purpose. Now, if the layout is open, you can see that there will be a screen first visible. Okay, that is the welcome screen. From this welcome screen, we can create a workspace, a paper space. Okay, here you can see that there will be a paper space is created or what scene, and also a storyboard is seen, and also some title blocks. Okay, some title blocks, and also we can create our own title blocks. I think already you know about the title blocks. Okay, okay, so if you want any title block, okay, any title block, you can create it in here. Here you can see that there will be A3, A1, A3 portrait, A4 landscape, etc., A3 landscape, etc. Like what title blocks are available here. Here I will just select A4 landscape symbol. Okay, now you can see that. Now you can see that. Now you can see that. That model, okay, that model is simply placed in our model. Okay, placed in our paper. We can adjust it. Okay, we can adjust it by selecting this, selecting here. Okay, now we can adjust here. I will adjust. Okay, here I will adjust this. Here I will adjust this. Now I just adjust it. Okay, and after that, if you want to change here, okay, if you want to change here, just double click it. If you want to change any, here you can see that issue date. Here you can see that Arial black veranda. If you want to what edit this, okay, if you want to edit this, you can just simply double click it. Now you can see that we can just what do some dates, issue dates, and also we can give the drawn by names. And also here you can see there will be a project name is what created here. That will be what we can give our project name, and also we can give our project number, and also client. Okay, and also client details, company details, and we can get or we can place the logo here. Okay, so for placing logo, we just go to the what insert option. Okay, here there will be an insert option is present. Okay, here there will be an insert option is present. So go to the insert option and we can select the images or select the images that we want to, or logo. Okay, logo that we want to place it in here. Okay, so in the layout part, our model is already visible here. Now here I want to create another page. Okay, here this is my what first floor plan. Okay, this is my first floor plan. So no, this is my first floor plan. Okay, so I want to create a name here. Okay, so for creating names or text, you can just come to here. You can see that there will be a different options is present here. That will be a text option. Here I will just click on here and give it as first floor plan. And also we can give dimensions. Okay, we can give dimensions. Okay, so for giving the dimensions, you can see that there will be a dimensions options is present. There will be two types of dimensions are available in our SketchUp layout, that is linear and angular. So first of all, go to the linear option. Now you can see that if I want to measure the this much distance, you can see that, and also this much distance. Okay, this much distance, you can see that. And also I want to create the inside dimensions. Okay, I want to create the inside dimensions. Now I want to create the inside dimensions. Here also I want to create the inside dimensions. Here also I want to create the inside dimension. Okay. And also here. Here also I want to create the dimensions. Here also. Okay. Now you can see that. And also we can edit, okay, we can edit the units from here. Okay, units from here. We can edit the unit, how, in which unit we have to draw. Okay, we have to what place. Okay, so for that we just go to the dimension style. Okay, we just go to the dimension style option and we can change the dimension styles. Now you can see that. Now you can see that that will be placed in between the lines, between the dimension lines. And also we can change the unit. If I want to change the unit, or I want to measure the unit in centimeter. Okay, so click on that centimeter. Now you can see that centimeter measurement is available. Here also I will change it to centimeter, and here also I will change it to the center side. Okay, and also the what our what direction or orientation is also we can change. Here you can see that the orientation of this what dimension is also changed. Okay, so likewise we can also change. Okay, if one condition, you have to select the dimension first. And also here in the extension line, if I want to create it in lengthwise, okay, I want to create it in lengthwise. I want to create it in lengthwise. I will just click on 0. Now you can see that the extension line is gone. And also here, I want to what remove that extension lines. Now you can see that that extension line will be gone. Okay, likewise, we can create dimensions also. And also we can what give the tags. Okay, here this is my wall. Okay, here this is my wall. So I just click on here and make it. You can just type it. Okay, you can just type it wall 23 centimeter. Okay, wall 23 centimeter. 1 minute. Okay, sorry for that. My screen is not sharing. Okay, so I will just repeat it. Okay, I will just repeat it. So here we already do some what dimension scenes. Okay, for the purpose of what providing the dimensions or documentation, we add some scenes here. Okay, that is ground floor plan, side section, front section, first floor plan, etc. like things. Okay, so in SketchUp itself, we didn't do any documentation. We have to save this file. Okay, so we have to save this file, and after that we have to send this. Okay, send this model to layout. I already said layout is what already we discussed. Okay, so for sending that model to our layout, we have an option called send layout option. So just I will click on that send layout. Okay, I just give some brief introduction about the layout. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that this is the interface. Okay, interface of our SketchUp layout. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, this is the interface of the SketchUp model. If we create or if we open the layout, we have a welcome screen like this. Okay, we have a welcome screen like this. And from this, we can select appropriate sheet. If you want to create a title block, it's your own. You can select plain papers. Here, there will be a lot of plain papers with different sizes are available. Okay. And if you have if you have a title block, okay, a title block, if you want a title block, you can select or you can pick any title block model from this title block option, and after that you can edit. Okay, and after that you can edit. If here I am going to select the A4 landscape option. Okay, A4 landscape option is present. Now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that the layout is present. Okay, and the A4 sheet that I select is visible in my screen. And if you want to change the details that given in our title block, you can change it. Here there will be project title option is available, paper number is available, author name, and also project location, like things we can change. Okay, and also the model that we send from directly to the SketchUp software is also come to our model. Okay, come to our layout. Here we can arrange it. Okay, we can arrange it. We can arrange the SketchUp model. Okay, we can arrange the SketchUp model. So here I will arrange the SketchUp model and place it in this side. And after that, if we want to what dimension it, or we want to mark some areas or mark some text. Okay, so for that there will be a different options is present here. Okay, for dimension you can see that there will be a dimension option is present here. Okay, now is it moving? My screen is visible. Yes sir. Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. Yes sir. Okay. Okay, so now I want to make some dimensions in my floor plan. So first of all, we just go to the dimension option and place the points that we want to measure the dimension. Now you can see that. Okay, and also from here to here. Okay, from here to here. And also in the inside dimensions. Okay, here in the inside dimensions, and also here this dimension. Okay, the model is little bit smaller, that is why the measurement is placed in outside. Okay, okay, so now I am going to change the what style of the dimensions. For changing the style of the dimensions, what we do, just go to the, just select the dimension that we want to change, and then go to the dimension style option in the default tray. And in here you can change. Okay, you can change the units, and also you can change the what extension lines. If I don't want an extension line, you can change it here. Okay, and also here also you can change. You can change it to centimeter, and also you can change the length of the extension lines. Okay, you can change the length of the extension lines also. Okay, likewise you can dimension all the parts. And also if you want to add some text, okay, if you want to add some text, you can just click on the text option. Okay, you can just click on the text option and then click on here. Now then, first floor plan. first floor plan. Okay, then if you want to add some what tag, okay, tag, you can just label it. Now I want to label this is my sunshade. Okay, here this is my sunshade. Sunshade. You can see that. Okay, you can see that. I will just mark it. Okay, and after that, I want to place the another scenes. Okay, here the first floor plan, only the first floor plan is imported into this layout. Now I want to make the ground floor plan visible and the sections visible and the elevations visible, etc. like things. Okay, so for that, just copy it. Okay, just copy it. For copying, just press the control option and just drag it into another side. Now you can see that exactly like this model is copied in here. And after that, we have to change the scene. For changing the scene, just right click it. Okay, just right click it. And after that, you can see that scenes option is present here. In the scenes option, you can see that the default one is the first floor plan and you can change it to ground floor plan. Now you can see that the ground floor plan is present. Okay, the ground floor plan is present. And you can mark it by using the text. It's the ground floor. Ground floor. Okay, it's the ground floor. And after that, you can what dimension it also. Okay, you can dimension it also. And after that, we have to add another page. Okay, for adding the another page, you can see that there will be an add page option is present. Now you can see that. Okay, add page is presented. Here you can see that there will be a cover page and there will be an inside page. That this is the page 3. Okay, or you can duplicate it. Okay, or you can duplicate it. If I just remove this and I will duplicate this inside page. Okay, now you can see that inside page at page 4. And the advantage of the duplicating the existing page, we can change easily the scenes. Okay, just right click it and go to the scene. Here I will just create the front section. Now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that the front section is created. And here I will just add. And here I will remove the unwanted dimensions. Okay, unwanted dimensions. Remove the unwanted dimensions. Here also I will remove it. Here also I will remove it. And after that, we can arrange it. Okay, we can arrange it. We can arrange it. And now we can give dimensions. We can give the dimensions. And also we can give the inside dimensions, inside thickness, etc. like things. And also we can give the text. Okay, here I will give it as front section. Front section. Okay. And also if I want to add the side section. Okay, add the side section. I have to make a copy. For making copy, just press Control. Okay, and after that, just place the another view. Now you can see that. And after that, just click on the right option and then just click on the scenes. Okay, just click on the scenes and after that, just click on the side section. Now you can see that the side section is created. Okay, side section is present. And after that, you can what dimension it. You can dimension it. Okay, you can dimension it. Here I will dimension this area, and also I will dimension this area, and also I will dimension this much area. Okay, this much area. Okay, this much area. And also you can what type some text here. This is the side section, so I will just give a note as side section. Okay, here you can see that. And also you can change the text size or text style also. Okay, here I will just click on that text option, and you can see the text style. Okay, here I can change. Okay, I can change the text family. Okay, font style. Then we can what add, or we can change it as bold, bold, italic, etc. Like, and also we can change the size. Okay, size of that particular text. Okay, and also we can check the alignments also. Okay, we can check the alignment also. Okay, and also here you can see that here this is my foundation part. Okay, this is my foundation part. So I want to make some pattern here. Okay, I want to make some pattern here. So for making some patterns, okay, making some patterns, you can see that there will be a shape style option is present here. Okay, there will be a shape style option is present. So I just go to the rectangle option, and in the rectangle option, I will just add a rectangle. Okay, and then go to the pattern option. And in the pattern option, you can see that there will be some side patterns. Okay, there will be some side patterns, not the side patterns. There will be some material symbols. Here, there will be some concrete. Okay, concrete masonry or crushed gravel. Okay, here I will just select the crushed gravel, and also just select the pattern, and after that just draw it. Now you can see that. Okay, first of all you have to select the pattern. Okay, here I will select the pattern. Now I want to create the what brick. Okay, brick pattern. So I will just go to the material symbol and brick Flemish board, or brick English board, or any brick. Okay, brick. Here I will select the brick English board, and after that just go to the rectangle, and after that just draw it from here to here, and here to here, and here to here. Here I will give a concrete. Okay, so I will just go to the concrete masonry unit, and after that I will just give. Okay, so likewise we can add the materials also. Okay, material patterns also. Here also we can give like this. Okay, so many what material symbols is available here: side patterns, geometric tiles, etc. Okay, etc. Like tonal patterns, etc. Like things are available here. We can add it. Okay, we can add it by clicking this steps or repeating these steps. So once again, for creating this much pattern, okay, for creating this much pattern, first of all, you have to select the material. Here, I will just select on that crushed rock gravel, and after that, go to the drawing tool, and after that, draw it. Okay. Likewise, we can create patterns also. Okay, and also if you want to create colors, okay, if you want to make colors, you can have it, okay, by using the color option in here. Okay, is there format painter? If I have sheet template in AutoCAD, can I import the same in SketchUp layout? Yeah, you can what convert. Okay, you can simply import first. You can import it into SketchUp, then to layout. Okay, then to layout, or you can what likewise, okay, like that. You can just first you can import that SketchUp, sorry, AutoCAD template to SketchUp, and after that, from that SketchUp you can directly send it to layout. Okay, here I will just, okay. Then now we are finished. Okay, we are finished with the documentation. And after that, we have to convert. Okay, we have to convert these pages. Now you can see that we have three pages. Okay, cover page, inside page, and outside page. So here, cover page, I will remove this. Okay, so inside page, there will be two pages. Okay, we have two pages. Now we want to make these pages as a PDF. So for that, just go to the file option. Okay, file menu, and in the file menu, there will be an export option is present. Okay, we can export this file into a PDF. Now you can see that I will just select PDF, and after that, I will just give some name as sample. Okay, and then I will just save it. So you can see that while I click on that export option, you can see there will be pages. Okay, from what if we want print one page only, you can select the page range from here. Okay, and also if what image is contained in this document, you can what automatically the layout will compress the JPG file. Okay, and also I will export it. Okay, so I will export that. Okay, now you can see that the exported file. Okay, the exported file will be present like this PDF. Okay, PDF file will be present like this. Okay, so this is the layout part. Okay, so I think at last, can you please say how to? Okay, we can. Okay, just I will close it. Okay, I will just save sample and light. Right. Okay, so okay, so now the layout can be opened in two ways. Okay, one one method is we can directly import the SketchUp file. Okay, SketchUp file into layout. SketchUp file into layout, or we can simply open the layout option. Okay, open the layout option that get along with the SketchUp software. Okay, that get along with the SketchUp software. You can simply double click in that application. Okay, layout application. You can simply access the layout option. Okay, then I will just go to the layout. I will just send. Okay. Yeah, okay. How to scale the plan to particular scale, like 1:100, 1:200. Okay. 1 minute. I will just open. Okay. Okay. Now, if we want to scale, okay, if we want to scale a drawing, so for scaling a drawing, we can just go to the scale drawing, or else if I select on this model, you can see that in the right click, there will be an option called scale option. Okay, you can see that 1 mm to 100 mm. Now you can see that. And also if I select on that, you can see that in the right click option, there will be a scale option is present. If I want to what scale these element to 1 mm is to 1000, one is to 1000, then just click on here. You can see that. Then also again just right click it, again just right click it, and after that you can scale it. Okay, you can scale it. Okay, likewise it's a one method. Okay, it's the one method for scaling. Okay, another, you can create scaled drawings. Okay, so for creating scaled drawings, I will just create another page. Okay, and after that, if you have to what if you want to create a scaled drawing. Okay, so for that, just go to the scaled drawing option. Okay, scaled drawing option, and then go to make scaled drawing, and after you can choose a scale. Okay, here I want to choose 1:100 mm scale. Then drawing scale is drawn. You can see that. Okay, here the drawing scale is created. Here you can see that 1:100 mm scale. If you want to change, okay, if you want to change that particular scale, then just select it. Just select that drawing. And after that, just go to the scale drawing. Then you can see that 1:20. And also 1:200, and also 1:50, and also full size 1:1. Now you can see that. Also 1 is to 1:500. Likewise you can scale it. Okay, likewise you can scale it, or else if now I want to scale these drawing. Okay, scale these drawing, so just go to the make scale drawing, and after that just select this. Okay, just select this. Okay, that is not work with the inserted model. Okay, you can, if you want to change or if you want to create a scale drawing, you can do it in the first, and after that you can draw it. Okay, you can draw it. Now I am going to draw a rectangle here. Okay, then add some dimensions. Add some dimensions. Then it will be in a scaled item. Now, if I change that scale, okay, along with that, the model is scaled. Okay, along with that, the model is scaled. And after that, you can change it to 1:500. Likewise, you can change. Okay, clear. So if you want to, if you have any doubts regarding the layout portion, you can ask. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. While using layout, background of SketchUp is gray. How to change? While using layout, background of SketchUp is gray. Is is you what means this is gray? Is it? It's the default. Okay, it's the default because we want to identify our paper space. This much portion. Okay, this much portion we have to work. Okay, how to add pictures or north point. Okay, okay. So that is a point. Okay, so we have to add some pictures. Okay, I already said we add pictures from what insert option. Okay, now we have to add some documentation pictures like north point, and also some can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So for adding that site layout pictures, okay, you can an option called scrapbook. Okay, here in the default tray, there will be a scrapbook option is available. In the scrapbook option, you can see that there will be some arrows. Okay, there will be some arrows, and also there will be some peoples. If I want to add these people to here, you can see, just click on there and add it here. Okay, and after that, then go to some what symbol elegant. Okay, here you can see that there will be some elevation lines, etc. like things, and also trees elevations. Okay, here trees elevations will be given in 2D. Okay, and also you can see some signs. Okay, you can see some signs, and also you can see some contemporary. Now you can see that. Okay, here you can see that that coordinate system can be also added. If you want to edit it, okay, if you want to edit it, you can double click it. Okay, just double click it, and after that you can place the values. Not automatically created the values. Okay, values of the elevation, slope, etc. Okay, we can manually add it by inserting some symbols. And also here there will be some traditional also. Okay, traditional also, and also there will be some contemporary, elegant, then plain, etc. like things. Section elevation lines also present. If you want to mark, okay, if you want to mark the section line, okay, here you can just place it. Here you can see that I will place the section line here. And after that, if you want to move, or if you want to resize, you can resize it. And after that, if you want to edit, okay, now you want to edit it. Here A5, I will change to A6. 6 A6. I will change it. Now you can see that. Okay, likewise, you can add symbols, and also elevation heads. Okay, level heads also fine here. You can just pick it from here, and also there will be grid lines are also available. If you want to create the grid lines, okay, if you want to create the grid lines, you can create the grid lines from here, then here, like this, and also here, 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 here. And also you can edit, okay, you can edit but while clicking on here and double click it. You can see that here A is present, and then the next one is B. Okay, so I want to change it to B. I want to change it to B. You can see that. Then here also, I want to change it B. It's automatically not changed. Okay, automatically it's not changed. We can change it manually. Okay, if anything that we want in a SketchUp layout, we can do it in manually. Okay, no automatic placing, etc. like things will be indicated. And also here you can see that in the side graphics, there will be northing symbols is also available. Okay, here the northing symbol is also available. So just make down, just note down it. It's the important thing, that is the scrapbook. Okay, scrapbook. We can add some symbols, etc. like things. Okay, externally we can place it in our documents. Okay, bro, we can didn't do any scaling in SketchUp. Okay, we can do what we can't do. Okay, scaled drawings in SketchUp, because SketchUp is it's a 3D space. plan in one box, section in one box. Yeah, you can simply create. Okay, just go to the rectangle, and after that, if you create a rectangle, it will be present like this. Okay, because the pattern is activated here. So just go to here, shape style option, and then tick off all the things. And after that, just create. Okay, just create. And also here you can see that there will be a fill option is present. Okay, fill option is present. Fill pattern is tick off. You just tick off the fill pattern. Okay, you just tick off the fill pattern, and after that just select the rectangle, and after that just create it. If the thing is like this, okay, you can just right click it, and then what arrange it to send backward. Okay, arrange it to bring send to back. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now you can see that a box, separate box for all the sections, elevations, like things you can add. Okay. Also, you didn't take that bring to forward, bring to backward, etc. like thing. You can just what tick off these three options. Okay, and after that, if you select this, you draw it. Okay, if you draw it, you can what simply create a line. Now you can see that simply a rectangle is created. The inside fill is absent. So just make sure that the fill is tick off. Okay, the fill is tick off. You can just create a rectangle itself. Okay. Yeah, for adding some logo, bro, what we can just insert it. Okay, we can just insert it. Now in my computer, there will be no any logos is available. 1 minute. Okay, I will download a logo. Okay, now if I want to place a logo in this much area, so for that we just go to the file option, and in the file option you can see that there will be a insert option is present. So just go to the insert option and select the image or logo that you want to place it, and after that the model or the logo, okay, the logo is placed here. Now you can see that. Okay, and you can resize it also. Okay, you can resize it also and place it in anywhere that you want. Okay, likewise, you can add logos. Here, I will what take a plain paper. Okay, I will take plain paper. If you want to create it in grids, you can select in the first page. Okay, you can select in the first welcome layout. You can select the grid paper. Okay, I will select the plain paper. Color lines in layers. Okay. Okay, so any more questions? So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. So we are completing the SketchUp software that we what discuss about how the welcome screen, or how the tools that work with the SketchUp software, and how we can model using the SketchUp software, and how we can place the components from the from the 3D warehouse to the SketchUp, and how we can edit that components, and also how can we add materials like things to the model, and how we can create landscaping, and also what how can we create sections, elevations, etc. like parts, and also the animation part. Okay, the walkthrough part. So the walkthrough part is also we discussed, and after that, the last part is the documentation. That the documentation in the SketchUp software is done using the layout. Okay, the layout is the what the software that we get along with the SketchUp software. Okay. Vasudevan TJ, please ask one more time. Can we do building simulations? I think SketchUp, the model that we created in SketchUp is not simulating. Okay, not simulated. But in the case of Formit, okay, we can convert the SketchUp file into Formit format. Okay, Formit software, Formit 360 software. And using that Formit 360 software, we can do the building simulations. And also there will be another software called Autodesk Forma. Forma is also used for the what simulation purposes. Okay, colors in layout. Yeah, we can use the colors. Okay, we can use the colors in what layout. Okay, I think which type of color can you specify? I don't get. Just simply if I what create a rectangle and change the color of that rectangle. Is you mean? This is what you mean? I have drawn a floor plan in SketchUp which I would like to send to layout and save as PDF so that I can print it out A3. When I send the drawing to layout, it displays as heavily pixelated and is therefore unprintable. Any solution for this? So you can what make sure there will be an option while we what import sorry, export to PDF. There will be an uncompressed, okay, uncompressed JPG file format like that. So you can just, I will show, okay. If you go to the file option, you can have an export option, and in the export option, okay, you can see that compression images. So you can what try, okay, smaller file. Okay, you can try it in smaller file. Okay, yeah, color filling. Here you can see that. Okay, here I will open the fill. Okay, I will open the fill part. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now you can use this fill option. Okay, you can use this fill option, and after that you can select the color from this color wheel. Okay, and after that, if you want to create wall colors or any other, okay, if I want to create the wall colors, okay, here I want to create wall colors. If you want it, you can have the same steps. Layout, can it generate room dimensions by clicking on endpoint of room walls? I think no, because we manually enter the or we manually what specify the start point and the end point. Okay, yeah, we can change the line type or line thickness by using this. Okay, this option. You can see that 1x, 2x, 3x, 3x like this. Okay, you can change it. Line thickness. Okay, so any other questions? Okay, the recorded video part. Okay, any more questions? Yeah, you can place. Okay, you can place two different scale drawings in same layout. Okay, it's not a big task. You can try it. Okay, you can either change the scale by right click or you can create scale drawings. Okay. Uh, no, we don't have a session on tomorrow. Okay. So I think all of you get the point that I what discussed through this session. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask. Okay. So for the recordings, okay, for the recordings, you can just contact the host peoples. Okay. Okay. Can we place 3D view? Ah, yeah, yeah. 3D also we can place. Okay. 1 minute. I will just forgot it to tell about that. Okay, go to the page and I will here. I am adding another page. Okay, and another page, and I will make a copy of this item. Okay, just Control C, and after that I will place it in here. Okay, okay, and after that we can just what change the scene to original. Now you can see that. Now you can see that what 3D image is also placed here. Okay. Likewise, you can add the 3D images also. If I want to create all the pages. Okay. Now you can see that. Okay. These 3D image is also added. Okay. If you have V-Ray, SketchUp like things, oh sorry, Illumion like things, you can add the rendered images also. Okay. So the attendance sheet will be shared in the chat. Okay, not in the Q&A. It's shared in the chat. Hope you all the guys fill that. Okay. So I already tell the scale. Okay, scale part. Yeah, the workshop is end by today. No, no, no. Tomorrow is session is not available. Yeah, for making the difference between the group and component, you can refer the video. Okay. Okay. Hope all guys understand the session. So our SketchUp session is over. So thank you everyone.